In this video, we will see how to edit hyperlink. This is my Excel sheet. I written here some click here word. It's attached it with the hyperlink. So we'll see what is attached it on this word. Just click on it. You can see here the sample Excel data is PDF file is attached to this word with the hyperlink. I want to edit this PDF copy. I want to edit this hyperlink and remove this PDF, and I want to attach the another PDF. Just right click of the mouse, click on the edit hyperlink and select the new PDF which you want to attach now. I want to select this is invoice. Select it and click on OK. Now you can see, just click on that. See the invoice PDF is attached it. That's it. Thank you. Hope you understand this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.